If you're the kind of girl that wants her pencil case to match her soul, you're in the right place. Let's slow down, soften up, and romanticize the start of your school year with cozy crochet vibes. Hello, angels. Today we're romanticizing going back to school with projects that are cute and functional, sort of. Here are 30 crochet projects to romanticize going back to school. Some of you are about to enter your soft girl STEM era, and I fully support it. These are some of my favorite on this list, and actually I think it inspired this whole video. I think that they're so cute, such a perfect way to personalize your bookcase. I love the idea of putting cold hard textbooks into cute cozy little cases. Imagine holding just a soft cozy book in your hands while studying. I think that's a surefire way to get an A. Also, they don't only have to be used for books and textbooks, but also notebooks. Okay, once my skills in crochet upgrade a little bit, this is going to be the first thing I want to make. Imagine just showing up to class with this. You don't even need a backpack. You can just put all your pens in your little cozy and bring it all as one piece. This one is also super functional and you can make a ton because typically you always have a book for every single class. So what better way to keep your page than with a cute, cozy bookmark? I like the idea of opening my book up and getting a quick little dopamine hit. And that's what romanticizing is all about. It's the little things that bring even a spark of joy. Binder clips are perfect because they're so easy you can crank out a ton in one night. I like this because if for class we're reading a textbook and we're focusing on different chapters, I love to have a little marker on each page to know which chapter is which so I can quickly flip back and forth. So cute, so cozy, beginner friendly. Okay, this one is totally extra and not functional at all, but imagine showing up to school with this. Let's start with crochet pencil cases that actually make you want to take notes. I feel like pencil cases are such an easy first-time beginner crochet idea to make. They don't have to be overly complicated, and they're something that you'll actually use every day. For this video, if there's any tutorials you like, all the links are in the description, and I hope you find a new creator on YouTube that you love. At my university, in order to gain access into the buildings, you need to scan your student card, and I think that these cute little pouches are such an easy way to kind of keep it within hand's reach. You can easily add a little keychain and attach it to your bag. You can make it a little bigger and add room for a change pouch to make it easy when you need to buy some snacks to get you through the day. Okay, so if you're anything like me, your emergency kit is 50% functional and 50% aesthetic nonsense. I think it's a great idea because if you're in the middle of class and you really need something, you don't want to be rustling through your bag, distracting everyone. So it's nice to have a little pouch that you know all your go-tos are in. Do I need a crochet lip holder? Absolutely not. But do I carry one anyways? Yes. If you tapped onto this video, then you already know that the little tiny crochet things give you an instant dopamine hit. You could put them on your backpack, on pencil cases, on your purse. I think truly romanticizing your bag is having a little keychain that's made out of crochet on every single one of your items. And who knows, maybe the person next to you will see it, strike a conversation with you, and next thing you know, you have a new soft girl best friend. I love these. I mean, you're not really supposed to be listening to music during class, but if your prof thinks that you have a cute little pair of earmuffs on, you're golden. This is the type of crochet project that makes people say, wait, you made that? Also, these little bows or little decor in general is such a quick, easy idea to decorate your headphones without breaking the bank. And for those of us that don't have the over-the-head headphones, I think my AirPods case are so cute, so easy, and it's a great way to know where your AirPods are at all times because I don't know about you, but I am forever searching in my bag for them. They can even just be done with a little granny square. Okay, so this is a little bit more on the cute than functional side. These are the little details that even make your errands feel romantic. An elevated way to keep tabs on your phone. I don't want to be pulling out my phone in class or having it sit on the table, but having it in one of these cute little cases, I think is a win. And if you're a little bit more advanced, you could even make a case. There's so many cute tutorials online. So similar to the book covers, I think this is a really good way to keep your electronics safe and to keep them scratch-free, but also super cute. Okay, cute, absolutely. Functionality, questionable. Just a cute way to liven up your environment, so you don't have to look at the wall and see a big tangle of wires. Okay, this one is actually so genius because I feel like I always have both my hands filled with books, so how am I gonna hold my drink? How am I gonna hold my drink? If I'm on my way to school and I'm stressed in the morning, I want to be able to look up and have just a little cozy moment of peace and joy. Tiny little crochet details like this are mood boosters for any day. Such a cute way to add a little bit of joy to your morning commute. Are these regular coasters? Yes, but can they fit in your car? Absolutely. Okay, if you've ever been in a dorm room, then you know a dorm room's natural aesthetic is jail. It's jail. I think that dorms are so boring, and if you're gonna be spending your whole year there, they better look cute. These faux plants are a great idea too, because depending on what your dorm is like, you might not have a lot of light for live plants, so this is a great way to add a little bit of fairy core energy. They're so romantic, so sweet, and they make cute little gifts too. Garland is another idea to quickly liven up your dorm space. I love the idea of hanging this above the bed on that big blank wall. If you know, you know. Anything to add a little bit of personalization is a perfect way to romanticize the space. Another thing about dorms is they have the ugliest curtains, and I think this is just a quick, easy way to make the window look a little bit more lively. I mean, it's gonna be your next home, so you might as well enjoy it. When I light that candle, I want to feel joy. I love the idea of everything having its own little home, own little place, all while decorating the room. I hope you found something sweet to make your back to school feel a little bit softer. Let me know which one is your favorite. I think that this is the one that I'll likely be crocheting first. Remember, it's the little cozy touches that make life feel a little bit sweeter. Keep romanticizing your world one crochet project at a time. Goodbye, angels.